Welcome to the WhenToWork iOS app for employees. Click on the WhenToWork icon on your home screen to open the WhenToWork app for iOS. Enter your username and your password. These are the same username and password that you use throughout the WhenToWork system. When you sign in, you'll see your dashboard. At the top is this week's schedule. Click on any day to see more details. Notice that the total hours and the total number of shifts are listed for you at the bottom. You can swipe to see next week's schedule. And again, you can click to see more details. Below the schedule is your next shift. This is the next shift coming up on your schedule. Click to see more details or to post the shift on the trade board or to manage that trade board entry. Click Dashboard in the top right to go back. If you have another login in the WhenToWork system, you can click the plus sign on the upper left. You can enter logins for various different accounts through the WhenToWork system. Simply enter your username and password and click Go, and you've signed in. Now notice that the screen is red here. You can click the arrow button to look at your various different logins in various different accounts. If you'd like to change the color, click the gear icon and choose a color. You can also change the name of the header. You can send feedback or questions. Click here to email WhenToWork. Click Done and go back. Now your choices are red and green, so that you can easily identify your two different logins. If you'd like to see the organization's full schedule and perhaps pick up some shifts, click on Menu. Under Schedules, you'll see your next shift coming up. Click on that and you'll go to the Schedules menu, where you can choose to look at a list of your upcoming shifts. Or click Schedule. This takes you to the month schedule for the whole company. Pick a day. At the top will be your schedule. If you're scheduled for shifts, they will be listed here, and if not, you'll be notified that you're not scheduled to work that day. Below it is a list of everyone's shifts for that day. If you'd like to see just the shifts for a particular position, click Set Filter. Choose the position and then click Set Filter again. Now this will show only shifts for that position. Click on the X on the yellow filter bar to remove the filter. When you click on a shift, you'll see more details. But note that you can't pick up the shift or offer to trade it here. To do that, click on the Home button and go to the Trades section. In the Trades section, you can choose among unassigned shifts. To pick up an open shift, click Open Shifts, and you'll see a calendar. Blue dots appear whenever there's an open shift available. If you'd like to pick it up, click on the shift and click Pick Up. Confirm, and the request is sent to your manager. Also on this menu, you'll see the option to trade or cover shifts. On the calendar, there's a green dot for any day where a trade or drop shift is available to you. Click on that day and you'll see a list of shifts. Click on the shift to see more information. If you cannot pick up the shift, you'll see an explanation below. Go back to the Trade section and look on another day. Click on that shift. If you're able to work the shift, you'll be shown a list of your shifts that you can offer and trade. Click on the shift you'd like to offer and click OK, and your trade offer is sent. You can also request time off and check to see when you've been approved for time off. Click on Messaging to view new messages. Click on the message to read it. You can forward, reply, or delete those messages. You can also send a new message or review old messages. Under Staff, you'll find a staff list. Click on any person to see their contact information. At the bottom of your menu, you'll find Launch Full Version. Here you can launch the desktop version of WhenToWork optimized for mobile use on your phone. You can also click Launch Preferences to enter or update your availability preferences also on the full desktop version. Go back to the dashboard and click on the top line to switch logins. You can also swipe between logins at any time. If ever you would like to remove a login from your app, click the gear icon, click the trash can, and then choose Remove. If you have any questions for WhenToWork, click the gear icon and send us feedback or questions. We always appreciate hearing from you.